finally got some snow. You can't really see it snowing because it's so fine. I think the first thing I learned when I came out here is the old saying, little snowflakes, big snow. Big snowflakes, little snow. And that's about what we got, is the little ones. It's been snowing since about, 9 o'clock last night, and it's going to go until tomorrow afternoon. So we got maybe a foot of snow on the ground. Bubba's been out here shoveling for us, so that's good. But as you can see, my car's not going anywhere. Haven't had a whole lot of traffic. I hear some over on Montview, but not much. So we'll just see how much we get after this. We still got over 24 hours to go on this one. Go, Bubba, go! Of the snow. What? Okay, I'll get it when I come in. I will in a minute. When I can catch you still. Well, you look like a snowplow. Okay, that's how deep it is right now. You can see where Bubba shoveled the path. Wow, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and it is still coming down. Wow. Yeah, we'll easily get 2 foot without a problem at all. It just keeps piling up. And this is supposed to go on until late tomorrow afternoon or into the evening. So I'm glad Dean got his truck dug out. Well, no, Bubba did. But it'll need another digging in a couple of hours. Oh well, we'll wait and see what tomorrow brings.